So sometimes I get stuff in the mail and I'm not even 100% sure what it is because it comes like this. And it's all just like white boxes. And I'm like, as of now, I still don't know what it is. But I think it may be, well, I think I know what it is in my head. So what we're going to do is we're going to start this video by saying, I don't know what this is. You know what it is because of the title, but we're going to crack open the boxes and slowly figure this out. Okay, so a bunch of stuff, and we're gonna start with whatever this is. I think it's fun. I need to sharpen these knives for sure because you would think it would go through this easier, but it's not. Okay, so this is maybe telling me what this is, maybe? I'm hoping. Phone better. So yes, this is what I think this is. This is I think from these guys. I think Ganinno. This is pop sockets, pop grip basics. So these would just, of course, stick on your phone if you have a phone that you want to stick it on the back. And then you guys can just see here. I'll pop this one off, right? Because I'm pretty sure that's what this stuff is, right? Grip base they have. These are all like, I think they're new stuff. I think this is their new stuff, but I think they started by making like pop sockety style things. I think this is what this is. And then this one here, is this the same deal? Yeah, we just got two of them, it looks like. So little 3M sticker is going to go on the back. And then this, of course, pops out. Pop socket, right? Pop socket. So that you can get your hand back there when you're holding your phone, right? So this would just kind of stick on there. And when you're not using it, it just pop socket. It is an actual pop socket. This goes down there. I don't remember getting an email from pop socket. So I'm thinking maybe this is something else. That's cool because that's a pop socket, but you do have to stick it on there, right? You do have to stick it on there. I'm hoping I'm talking about the right company. Is my hope. I guess we'll find out. This yes, maybe, yes I am. Good. Okay, so Ganinno. This looks like, I think, I'm pretty sure, maybe yes, maybe no. This is, yes, I'm guessing, yes, there we go, Ganinno. So this, as far as I can tell, this goes on to this. Yes, right? It's not that stand. It's not that stand. This is a vent stand. Yes. This is a vent stand. So this goes on your vent. You extend this, right? So this is like a little complete system that they sent me, I think. This goes on, you stick it on your vent and you tighten it, and you can see that right there. Where's my this locks into your vent, right? And this can be rotated however you need it, depending on how your vent goes. And then you got this, and this is metal, right? Now I'm curious. Yes. Look at that. Boom. That attaches. Oh, now I'm thinking maybe with the pop sockets, because it has this hole in it, why not? You could still maybe, I was going to say maybe you could still stick it in there, but that would be hard to pop out. Okay, but it goes in there. Oh, it's all coming together. All right, I like that. I like that so far. These must be little extra accessories for it. Ganinno. Okay, Ganinno. I'm probably saying that completely wrong. Ganinno? I don't know. Okay, so this same kind of deal. Yes. Ah, this is that one. I like this one. I'm already like, yeah, that's cool. So you can see it kind of how it lines up, right? You just kind of snap it on there, which I love. You could have this just on the back whenever you want. And then this is this I would take 100%. I would take this traveling with me, because now you could be like, boom, I need that for, maybe you're doing video and we got your phone and you're just like, yeah, I need that, right? Do a little video, because a lot of times I'm like, I just gotta set my phone up. I wish I had like a tiny little credit card style tripod. Oh, that would work perfect. And you just rotate it when you want to do this. Yes, yes, yes. And then when you're done, fold that up. So I like this. That's cool, because when you get the system, you get the system. This I really like. That I really like. That's super cool. All right. Okay. Continue on. Continue on our route here with all the goodness. Okay. Now we have the iPhone magnetic holder base. iPhone magnetic holder base. So this is just this. So this just goes on. Okay. This just goes on. And I do like, I don't know if you guys can't tell, but it kind of has these almost like little locking points that it snugs into, because this wants to line up with that magnet, right? So, okay, I'm down. And then we got 2 extra boxes. There and there. And these are, what does it say this is? I guess it says right in the inside, I'm not even, iPhone magnetic holder base. Magnetic holder base. What does that mean? Magnetic holder base. So, I was like, anything for that? That's that. There's this. That's magnetic. So that goes on there. It sticks. Maybe you can just get 2 styles, because this, maybe, I was like, maybe that goes on like that. No, that doesn't. I don't understand what this is saying. How to set up. Step 1, paste a P socket or ring holder in the circular groove. So this, maybe it's for something else. Maybe it's for whatever's in here, right? It's talking about the pop socket itself. So my guess is maybe they sent out these pop sockets just to be like, this is what it used to be like in the old days, in the past, but now we're in the future. Now we're in the future. And now, see, maybe, because now we have this, right? We have this, which is, I'm guessing, the same kind of idea, sort of pop sockety, but you could put it like that, right? I think. And then this. But I'm unsure, because that just goes on by itself, which I actually like better than like a pop socket, right? Because now you just, snug that on there and you're good. And because of where it is, it rotates depending on how you want to hold it, just, and then when you're done, you just put it down. Now, just realize, unlike a pop socket, which you Vulcan grip into it, if you had really big, thick, like fingers, like mine goes in, but if my fingers were any bigger, that would be an issue. I could get it there, right, in the top part, but you'd want to maybe switch fingers. But just kind of be aware. Just kind of be aware of that. So that's what are they showing here? Because this one here, they have a bottle opener, desk mount. I think the desk mount would be super cool. Air case mount, car mount, ring holder, which is this. We have this. Grip base plus, grip base black. See, I'm sure this is the grip base. I'm going to click on this. Kickstands. I'm with you. If I click on this base, what does it tell me? Does it tell me anything? You get different colors. I'm with you. Frequently bought together. That plus that. It's MagSafe compatible. Grip base made of aluminum alloy with built-in official parameter magnets. Touch surface, anodized color, structure. Attaches to your pop socket collapsible grip. Oh, I see what there's. I get it. So that your pop socket works with your phone so that you can take it off. Ah, it's like, so you put your pop socket on here, yes, and now that's why they sent two. Now, if I was like, I want a pop socket, I take that and I put that in here, right? I'm pop socket friendly now. And then I can stick that there and I've got a pop socket. Aha! There we go. Now that, because they're stuck on your phone normally, right? And then if you want the bigger one, then you have this one, same idea, right? And then you just pop that on there, and then when you don't want it, it's a magnet, so you take it off. Aha! All coming together. All right, no, I like that. Not bad prices, actually. You know, $12 for that, $12 for this. You know, kickstand holders, $18, $20. Not bad. It's a nice little system though, right? So kind of get together and you get a system. I like that. And then this one, of course, this one here, because that's why they sent two. That's why they sent two. Same idea. Pop socket, take it, set it in there. Yes, sits in there. And then when you want to use this one, same idea. You just take this, line it up, pop socket. I'm pop socket friendly. Okay, no, that's cool. I like that. That's excellent. All right, guys, I'm going to leave links to Ganinno. I don't know. Down below if you guys are interested in this stuff, because that's cool. I like that. And I like this desk mount. That's super cool for those that are doing like FaceTime calls or Zoom calls or whatever it calls. Google Hangouts, meetings, whatever it is. Yeah, that's sweet. All right, guys, links to them down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and we'll see you guys later. I like that a lot.